Hello students, welcome back to our video. So, in today's video we are going to discuss the last step of this chapter, that is steps to prepare accounts. There are mainly 6 steps for preparing accounts. First one is voucher, second is identification of transactions, third one is journal, that is we can also say the subsidiary books. Fourth step is ledger posting. Fifth step is trial balance and adjustments, and the last step is final accounts. And the final accounts includes trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So, accounting is a science developed by the human being. Since accounting is a science, it has its own rules. In accounting, the operation regarding the preparation of account is made. Operations are made on the basis of rules, where accounts are prepared as per the different and developed steps. These steps are followed in the chronological order. So, the first step is voucher. Voucher is the first step of a business transaction, which is a valid written document of the transaction made. So, voucher is a written document which shows the proof that the business has made some transactions, and on the basis of voucher, business can identify what type of transactions are made. So, voucher is a valid written document of the transaction made by the business. So the first step is voucher. Now, the second step is identification of transaction. Whether transaction of business is economic or non-economic, whether the transaction is cash or credit is determined at this stage. So, in the identification of transaction, business identifies what type of transactions is made, whether the transaction is a cash base or whether the transaction is a credit base. So, and it also helps to determine whether the transaction of a business is economic or non-economic. So, the second step involves identification of transactions. So, business identifies the transactions made, which type of transactions is made, whether it is a cash or credit. So, it is determined in the second step. Now, the third step is recording of transaction. Third step is recording of transaction. Under this stage, economic transactions of business are recorded in journals or in subsidiary books. So, once the business has identified the which type of transactions, what type of transaction are made, whether it is a cash base or whether it is a credit made. So, once the transactions are identified, then it is recorded in the books of journal, or we can say that subsidiary books, recorded in journals or subsidiary books. So, the third step is recording of transactions. Fourth step is posting in ledger. Transactions recorded in journal or subsidiary books are classified through posting in a ledger. It is managed that the transactions of that account can be availed at one place. Means, once the transactions are recorded in journals or in the subsidiary books, then it is classified through posting in a ledger. Means, we can say that all the similar transactions are recorded in one place. Means, sales transactions are recorded in one place, cash transactions are recorded in one place, credit transactions are recorded in one place. So, all the once the transactions are recorded in journals or subsidiary books, then they are classified through posting in a ledger. Now, the fifth step is trial balance. In trial balance, all the balances of accounts disclosed in fourth stage are disclosed. It is the prior stage of the preparation of final accounts. So, fifth step is trial balance. Once the transactions are classified through posting in a ledger, then the trial balance is made. And all the balances of accounts, means the balance of sales account, balance of cash account, balance of like rent account, balance of salary account, all the balances of the accounts are we can say seen in the trial balance. And this is the main step. Trial balance is the main step because, and it should be fully correct, because on the basis of trial balance the final accounts are prepared. Now the final step, sixth and final step, is annual accounts. These are prepared on the basis of trial balance and adjustment where trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet are included. So in the final step, on the basis final accounts are prepared on the basis of trial balance, and if there any adjustment is to be made like in trading account or in profit and loss account and balance sheet, then it is also made. So there are three main final accounts: trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet, and all these three accounts are prepared on the basis of trial balance. So the last step is annual accounts. So apart from these, other aspects which are associated with accounts like bank balance, rectification of error, depreciation, reserves and provision, etc. are to be studied like in the following chapters. So we have now completed with the chapter 1. So like preparation of final accounts was the last topic for the chapter 1.